What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at Tesla. Not a bad day for Tesla. Pretty much closed flat ever since, we had this split. The ranges obviously aren't as big as we are used to, so we're going to have to kind of adjust to that and play the levels accordingly. Nothing changes as far as the technicals. It's just understanding that the moves are not going to be so rangy in the day. But what I want to kind of briefly touch on, we did have an overall gap down in the market. Tesla had a very, very nice washout off of the open. You can kind of see gap down below and lost the prior 2 days worth of lows here. That price was sitting at around 271.65. Had this initial flush through the linear regression and 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, which was not looking good for Tesla, and came all the way down to $266 at one point in time. Now, mind you, if Tesla would have closed at the bottom of the range closer to this 266, 267 area, this would have been a picture perfect setup for a short position. All we would need to see is some type of mini bounce or consolidation, and then the loss of today's lows has nothing but open air down below all the way to 222. Now, obviously, it's not going to come all the way down to $222, but what I'm saying is if you can kind of notice all of these squiggly lines here, a lot of congestion, a lot of supply and demand. This is hard to trade in between because we have to be a little bit more precise on our entries and kind of get in and get out where we see fit. But when you see a lot of open airspace like this, it means that there's a lot of potential for this to kind of, really run very, very aggressively. So this overall was a nice recovery on Tesla. Now, does that mean that we are not going to see new lows beyond 265? It's still yet to be determined. What is factual and what is in front of our faces here is that we did lose the 50-day moving average. However, the bulls recovered this 50-day moving average as well as this channel line. So being that we did recover this channel line, we did stop here at the next level of supply. Remember, guys, when stocks reclaim a level of supply, they are going to trade to the next level of supply. What it does there, whether it consolidate, confirm, get rejected, is what we have to go off of and what we have to kind of navigate. But stocks are going to trade from supply to supply to supply to supply, from demand to demand to demand to demand. So with that context kind of being taken into play and consideration, if Tesla does start to confirm today's highs over around $277, which currently in the after hours session, we are trading higher than that. We're trading right now in the after hours between 278.83 and 279.22 on the bid and the ask. So what I would be looking for tomorrow on Tesla is anything over $278.50 is going to have room up to 280. Now, depending on your level of skill and experience and your level of emotions, how well you can control those, you could definitely take a potential scalp in this area. Just understand that you got about $1.50 to $2 worth of room before this is going to start to chop around. Now, if it does confirm this area, you will have enough room into over the 5-day moving average into 287, but that's another trade for another video. So let's just quickly look at the 1 hour time frame here. You can see massive recovery off the 266 floor here, did reclaim this channel line as well as the 50-day moving average, and now currently in the after hours kind of just resting and coasting sideways. So what we would be looking for is that around that 279 area. Anything over 279 is going to have room and a clear path to 282. This is where I'm going to want to take profits. Just understand that if we do pull back, your support is 277.60 and it's 275.76. Anything above 274 on Tesla, just stay away from the short position. This would have to lose 274 and the 20-day moving average before I'm even interested in taking a short position. And then your mini intraday macro level is going to be 272.58 with potential down to 266. Those are the levels that I would play. Again, if you guys would like to learn how to day trade options more efficiently and consistently, definitely join my Discord, link down below. Also, make sure you guys get access to my video courses, which is going to include all of my trading strategies, and then get access to those private channels on Discord that are going to contain my watch list, a lot of training videos, live trading videos, live trading, and then intraday commentary as well. I will see you guys all in the Discord tomorrow. And until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.